Hey guys, Tim here. Just shooting this quick video to talk about why are all the shirts out of stock? Why can't we find all the sizes, all the colors and stuff like that from our suppliers? Well, long story short, it's going to be the virus that we can't speak about. That's what everything I've seen. I've called my supplier because I have an order from a very high-end client that needed a bunch of certain color shirts, and just the sizes from small all the way up to 2XL, and I can't find them in any of their warehouses, and they have like 8 warehouses throughout the US. Even Gildan itself, because one of the things I'm getting for them is a Gildan shirt. Gildan themselves have 0 on stock, 0 sizes throughout. So the shortages are very bad. From what I've found out and what they've told me when I call my suppliers, because of the virus. I guess there's still some plants in some locations that are not able to have the employees come in and social distancing, that sort of thing. So it's bogged down the process, thus causing the shortages. And so hopefully sooner than later, things will get a little bit better. But what I recommend right now is just tell your clients straight up that there's a shortage of t-shirts, and there's not a whole lot we can do. I mean, as far as sourcing them, we'll try to get the colors and get the styles and the brands that you want, but just let them know, straight up that there's an issue there. Sometimes you can source so many sizes, like small through medium, but you can't get the rest of them. And just let them know. Most customers are easygoing, but let them know early on in the process, and then that way, it's not such a blow to them at the end, and make them mad if you can't come out with the shirts that they want. So what you can do though is, if you do, as you're going through and you do see like your standard colors somewhere, whether it's Michael's, Hobby Lobby, even Dollar Tree sometimes will have Gildan shirts in there, but little caveat to the side of that, make sure you check the shirts, because sometimes they're damaged. You don't want to put, $1 for a damaged shirt's not a you don't want to be buying a bunch of rags. You know what I'm saying? So, but what I'm trying to say is, just go ahead and stock up where you can. I mean, your standard colors: black, white, red, yellow, blue. Those if you can find them, you go ahead and stock up as you go, because I think it's going to take some time before we get the everything replenished and like it used to be. Supply and demand. You may have to start charging a little bit more for the shirts. I mean, that's just part of it. Price of everything is going up. Keep that in mind. Anyways, if you have any comments, questions, or anything, please leave them in the section below. And as always, guys, hopefully I'll be able to start producing more videos for you. I know I haven't been doing it weekly like I used to, but I'm going to try to change that. And sorry, I've had a summer cold and stuff, so my voice is kind of scratchy. I apologize for that. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for everything. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. All right, bye.